Yeah. Bro, Tommy just... Oh yeah, he's still on there. Fuck me. Oh, on there. Come on. Come on. I've already been fighting this fish for at least 5 minutes. Hey, close, I'm short. Come on. Come on, man. Oh, it's huge. It's got to be 20 plus. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. I can see you right there. There he goes. He's done for. You are done. Not.
Radio check.
You're clear.
I mean, it's not that bad out here. I think it was worse the other night.
I think it laid down since I got here.
This is like a rock, dude. I can't move.
Definitely did.
Holy shit.
You know, I just realized it's a lot of fun riding in this, but
when the kayaks come out and the boats stay in the harbor.
hey, you know they're sitting there salty.
Dude, he was salty when I fucking caught that one right in front of them.
Please don't come off. Please don't come off. Oh. Oh my goodness. Dude, my arms get so tired. He's gotta be done, man. He's gotta be done. Custer's last stand right here. Come on. Oh my God, where's the fucking energy from?
might be visible out here tonight.
Just give up. Give up already. Fucking give up. Oh, come on. Yeah. Bro, he's taken 100 feet of line 5 times now. It's got to be 25 plus, dude. It's got to be at least 25 or bigger. Oh, come on. It's like every time you think he's done, he's not.
Marky Mark, can you hear me?
Where's he getting the fucking energy from? Holy shit. There's nothing I can do. There's nothing I can do. All right, come on, you gotta come in, dude. Come on. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, come on. I gotta weigh this meat first. Here, look at the size of this. Holy shit. Oh my God. 34. Pounds. 24 pounds. Holy shit. 24 fucking pounds. Look at the size of this fucking thing.
Got a sailboat coming in the mouth.
Look at this fucking thing.